Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news, and if you are looking to buy a flagship level phone that is absolutely amazing for the money, then you should wait for the upcoming Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. We have got a brand new leak coming via Geekbench listing, and it shows that the S21 Fan Edition is indeed rocking the flagship level Snapdragon 888 processor. As far as the international market, it will be packing the Exynos 2100. Pretty much you should know that, and this will be at the same level as the S21 lineup. As far as other specs, we have got the 120Hz of refresh rate, great high quality display, similar camera setup as the S21 lineup, and a lot more colors. Samsung will once again bring this phone with a $700 price tag, so it's gonna be pretty much good phone for the money once it has been launched. Now, speaking of the S21 lineup, Samsung has received some massive revenue gains. According to the info compiled by the Counterpoint, all three Galaxy S21 models are in the list for top 10 smartphone for revenue in Q1 2021. This is definitely a big win for Samsung. Again, this is in the revenue department. Obviously, when it comes to sales volume, we don't see any Samsung flagship up there or any flagship Android device. So two videos has been shown by Samsung in which they have trolled the iPhone directly, and these videos are going to be, one of them is coming with a camera, and that is a valid kind of trolling from Samsung because the Samsung cameras are coming with a higher quality of telephoto camera lens, and they can take up to 100 times of zoom, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max devices are going to be coming with only 3 times of optical zoom in there. So this is going to be pretty much great troll from Samsung. The other video showcase is also about the cameras, but that time around we have the software experience. So guys, as you already know that the Samsung devices are coming with a single take option in the devices in which multiple different angles of videos and photos can be taken at the same time, but the iPhone devices can only take one image at the time. So that was the other troll which Samsung has made, and I think that they are going to be kind of troll which Samsung has made towards Samsung devices. So moving on towards the last leak, we have the Galaxy Tab S7 FE, which is going to be coming with a 5 colors option right now. And as you guys already know, we have previously known that there are 2 color options, black and golden. Now we have 5 color options, which includes blue, green and silver color option, which are going to be looking fancier. These leaks has been coming from Evan Plus and Ronald Colorant, who has shared the press render of the Galaxy tablet, and it is going to be looking pretty much great. As far as the spec sheet is concerned, we have a 12.4 inch of LCD panel on the front of the device, and it's going to be coming with a Snapdragon 750G processor inside the device. With that, it is coming with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and there are going to be 2 different variants, 4G and 5G, and also it's going to be supported by micro SD card. It's also going to be coming with a massive battery capacity inside. So guys, there is no word of the S21 Fan Edition 5G prices or release date yet, but when it ships, it will have Android 11 and the latest version of the One UI 3 on board. Anyhow guys, I am pretty much excited about the S21 Fan Edition, which is going to be absolutely amazing device. So what are your thoughts on that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and thanks for watching. Peace.